What if I told you that middle class is the new poor? That despite your degree, your job, your saving, you are actually losing money every single day and you don't even realize it. You followed the script, study hard, get a degree, get a job and save. But here is the brutal truth. That script was not written to make you rich. It was designed to keep you in check. And if you don't break it right now, your kids will grow up trapped, only worse. In this video, I am going to show you how middle class is not just struggling, it's being intentionally squeezed, and I'll give you the exact roadmap to escape even if you are starting with 0 rupee in your bank account. Stick with me, because the solution is not just what you think. And no, it's not just start a side hustle, start a business. That's not enough anymore. Hi, I'm Amar Srivastav, your digital success coach and a side hustle mentor. And I am an ex-middle class prisoner. I help professionals like you to build second income stream, monetize your skills online, and design a life that doesn't suck your soul every Monday morning. But before I teach you how to escape, let me show you the prison you are actually in. The middle class is not just failing because they are lazy. They are failing because the system they trust was built to reward obedience, not wealth. Think about this. In school, the top students got reward for following the orders. But the world's richest people, Gates, Musk, Ambani, they broke every single rule you were told to follow, because the system only rewards those who play a different game. Here is the truth. Salaries are designed to cover your expenses, not to build your wealth. You earn more, great. Now you pay more tax. You save more, cool. Inflation will eat it alive. It's not a life. It's a treadmill, and the faster you run, the more tired you get. But you are still at the same place. The middle class mindset is the real virus. Let me prove it. Job is equal to security. Tell the same to that 11,000 people who got fired via email last year. Security is just an illusion. Ownership is the only real security. Belief number 2, EMI is equal to progress. You bought a car worth 12 lakh rupee on an EMI. That's not an asset. It's a monthly reminder that you are working for the bank, not for yourself. Belief number 3, saving means you are smart. Inflation is around 6 to 7% and your fixed deposit gives you 4 to 5%. Congratulations. You are slowly bleeding your own money and you call it being responsible. You know what? The upper class teaches their kids, money must work for you. You never work for the money for a long time. And what do we teach? We teach work hard, retire peacefully. There is no peace in poverty, my dear friend. I remember one day I checked my PF balance after 7 years of my corporate life. I would have earned over 70 lakh rupees in total salary, and guess how much I had left? 38,000 rupees in 7 years. No asset, no brand, no income beyond the salary. I felt sick, betrayed by the system, by myself, and that day I made a vow. Never again would I trade 30 days of my life for one paycheck. I'd build something on my own. Now, take out your pen and paper and let me tell you, here is how I escaped and how you can too. It's a 3-phase process. Simple but not easy. Phase 1, build your own personal brand. Your new resume is not your CV, my dear friend. Your new resume is LinkedIn, Instagram, and YouTube. You post value, build trust, share your story, and attract the opportunities. No gatekeeper, just value. Phase number 2, package your knowledge into your digital product. You already have an expertise in something called finance, design, leadership, cooking, fitness, Excel. Package it. Create a mini course, a cohort, a community. Turn your skill into an income. Phase number 3, last but not the least, leverage your second income. You don't need a million followers. You need just 1,000 true fans. If each pays you 1000 rupee per month, you make 1 lakh rupee per month. That's it. And you can do it while working full time. The middle class is not just dying, it's being murdered. It's being outdated thinking, toxic habit and build trust. But you have a chance to break free, a chance to choose creativity over compliance and ownership over obedience. You don't have to quit your job, you have to quit your limit. It won't be easy, but let me tell you, it will be worth. I'll walk with you every single step. If you can resonate anything in this video, download my free guide on building a second income, link in the description. Don't just watch this video, let this video be your start. Subscribe it, share it with someone who is stuck. Let's break the system together. That's it. This is your friend Amar Srivastav signing off.